Well, everyone's favorite festival, Holi, is almost here. The day of smearing colors on your loved ones, devouring delicious gujiyas, dancing your heart out, and getting drenched in water fights. Many people enjoy celebrating the festival of colors in grand style. While some prefer to embrace pristine whites, others dress in a riot of colors to complement the festive atmosphere. Bollywood films have also provided us with a plethora of amazing Holi looks over the years. After all, who can forget Rekha's all-white suit in the song Rang Barse or Deepika's uber chic Balam Pichkari outfit? In this video, we're gonna take a look back at some of our favorite Holi looks. Aishwarya Rai in the Patiala suit, a short white kurta with contrasting green Patiala salwar and a peppy pink dupatta. Sounds intriguing? Well, that's the ensemble Aishwarya Rai wore in the song Chhan Ke Mohalla from the film Action Replay. Now, that's one Holi look that lives in our heart rent-free. Jaya Bachchan in all white. No Holi party is ever complete without playing the song Rang Barse from the film Silsila. Apart from being the most popular Holi song, it also gave us the most iconic Holi fashion inspiration, that is to go all white. Both Rekha and Jaya Bachchan embrace white ensembles in this song. While Rekha wore a white suit with a dupatta, Jaya wore a clad in a white sari with hints of pink and silver all along the border. The fusion look of Alia Bhatt in the movie Two States. Alia Bhatt rocked a neo-conventional look for a Holi scene in the film Two States. The actress rocked a multi-hued traditional skirt but gave it a voguish spin by wearing it with a tank top. Open tresses and a stack of chunky silver bangles is what she chose to complete her look. Interestingly, Alia's look was also a major lesson on how to rock white and multicolor together for Holi. Sonam Kapoor in Ranjana. Another Bollywood diva who made a strong case for white separates was Sonam Kapoor in the movie Ranjana. We have said it before and we will say it again. White is the way to go for Holi, you guys. Breezy casuals from the movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Deepika Padukone in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani gave us another memorable Holi look. She grooved to the song Balam Pichkari in an orange-hued shirt worn over a tank top and denim shorts. This outfit pairing instantly became everyone's go-to choice for Holi celebration. Alia Bhatt in Badrinath Ki Dulhania. Speaking of traditional Indian clothing, Alia Bhatt's vibrant, embellished lehenga in the movie Badrinath Ki Dulhania is a perfect Bollywood look for Holi outfit. Flaunting sequins and cold shoulder sleeves, the ensemble works perfectly for the Holi outings. Priyanka Chopra in Waqt. Our obsession with wearing white on Holi could be largely credited to Bollywood, and we aren't complaining. If you still haven't looked at white kurtas and white dresses to flaunt this Holi, we are certain Priyanka Chopra's all-white look from her Waqt days will move you to buy one now. Juhi Chawla in Dar. The cute and bubbly Juhi Chawla is also impressive in her simple avatar in Dar's Holi's song Ang Se Ang Lagana. The song features Sunny Deol and Juhi Chawla's romantic equation and Shah Rukh Khan as a stalker following the cute-ish actress. Juhi has also been appreciated for her expressions and her impeccable acting skills throughout her acting career. Rani Mukherjee in Mangal Pandey. Rani Mukherjee romances Aamir Khan in Mangal Pandey's song Holi Re. Rani has donned a traditional lehenga choli and plays the role of courtesan in the film. Rani looks quite young and bubbly in the film. Aamir is the freedom fighter, is smitten by the beauty of Rani as they smear color on each other. Hema Malini in Sholay, last but far from the least. Sholay's epic Holi scene and dialogues also include some outfit inspiration for you. donning a lehenga and choli in lavender decades before it became trendy. The legendary Hema Malini's OOTD from the movie could put everyone else's to shame. Well, if you like the information, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to One India News.